The new Satos pack is an amazing tool to allow you to move quickly from studio setting to a location setting, literally with just unplugging the cable and moving outside and using the battery. My name is Justin Myers, and I love broncolor. A few of the things that I'm really excited about the Satos pack is that you can go outside and do a trail running shoot and still maintain a quick flash duration and a really fast recycle time. The interface of the new Satos pack is rad. It's so easy to make quick changes on the fly. It's really intuitive. You can press the buttons, you can use the dials. Another great feature of the Satos is the battery power. It's fantastic because you can shoot all day long without the need of a generator, as long as you have batteries charging or a stack of batteries. And it's really fast. It's hot swappable. You can just take them out and put them back in. There's no need to have any other power supply nearby. The newly designed modeling lamp on the Pulsar L head is extremely bright and has an adjustable color temperature, which is really useful in motion and photography scenarios. The Satos pack still works with Pulsar G, so you can use all your existing lamps. And the best part about it is the broncolor modifiers, such as the para, beauty dish, and reflectors.